Tamil.
But after Tirthani incident, the speaker and on the health minister, even some of the DMK persons and MLAs are trying to say there is no ganja, no narcotic drugs have been here.
No, that is the highest humiliation and the best joke and the best joke and the worst lie of this 2025 is no ganja in Tamil Nadu, no addiction in Tamil Nadu. So even today morning he is telling, afternoon ganja has been caught from so many people. And another thing I can say as a doctor, without the influence of drug, a 17-year-old, he was showing the liquor bottle and taking selfie. And he is telling, the IG is telling they were not without influence. So that itself, the way they were telling, hiding the injury of the person and the influence of the attackers. So the Tamil Nadu, no law and order problem, particularly the Tirthani incident is an example for the worst law and order problem in Tamil Nadu.
The last one question, Madam. Manik Tahur, talked about the Alliance Party.
Yeah, he has revealed that definitely there is confusion in the India Alliance. They were continuously telling that there is confusion in the NDA Alliance. NDA Alliance is not with confusion. NDA Alliance is confusion free. Only the confusion has started only in the India Alliance. The Congress has told nobody can question them because even though they are in alliance. So the India Alliance is not as smooth as it is revealed. India Alliance is with a big turmoil within them. So NDA will win because there is anti-incumbency there and turmoil within the India Alliance is also there. So 2026 will be the year of NDA Alliance.